Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. Well, this is my new project. It's a 2006 Yamaha Stratoliner 1900. Take a look at it. It's in really good shape. Wanted a nice heavy cruiser for out on the highway. It's nice that it has the solid bags on the side that are leather wrapped. So it has 11,673 miles on it, or 18,677 kilometers. So I picked this up yesterday, went through quite a heavy rainstorm to get it. So I've cleaned it up a little bit, but it was actually in about this condition when I picked it up, so that's kind of nice for a change. The chrome's in really good shape, needs a little bit of cleaning up here and there. The paint's nice and shiny, so you can tell it's been maintained. It's got a nice auxiliary 12-volt port or USB on it. Has the LED driving lights. For around town, I actually do prefer the looks of these bikes without this huge windshield. I mean, it's certainly great for the highway, but we're going to take that off when I'm cruising around town. So this is going to be a video series on changing all the fluids and basic maintenance on the Yamaha Stratoliner, as well as detailing it again. I have also touched up a few little spots here and there, a couple little rock chips and whatnot. So I'll put the paint code in. It's not a Yamaha paint code, but I'll add that to the video description. Also has a little cup holder. I certainly don't like the looks of it on there, but it's nice and functional. I do like the overall style of these. I like the retro theme to them with the sweeping headlight. I do have some LED high and low beam bulbs coming in tomorrow, so that will be the next episode on this. The tires overall are in not bad shape. I've checked the oil, and the oil is nice and clean, so that's nice to see. All the lights, gauges, and everything work on it. So I'm going to pop off this windshield. It's nice and easy. All you do is unlock the locking mechanism right here with your key, and then the windshield will just tip forward and you lift it off. And that's with the windshield off. You can certainly make out how nice this headlight unit is, and I do like the fact that your key goes right in here. You push that forward. It's a nice little feature. And I love the look of that. Like all Stratoliners, the gas gauge does work as soon as you get going. For about 30 seconds, the gas gauge will work. It's actually full right now. And that's the upper windshield. Again, it's in good shape. It's got a few little stress cracks in it, but no big deal. Again, make sure you subscribe. Again, be doing a video series on this as far as the basic maintenance detailing, and we're actually going to get some driving videos out of this, and we'll actually see how this performs over the summertime. Anyways, I appreciate you watching. If you have any questions, comments, or tips for myself or other viewers, make sure you post them below. If not, thanks for watching.